In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve profile ranking on Glassdoor. Optimization Tips 2026. First, head to glassdoor.com and log in. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken right to your community home. If not, use your usual login method and complete any verification prompts. That's it, quick and simple. Once you're in, you should land on your community home. From here, look to the top right and click your profile icon to access your employer profile settings. This is where most optimization happens. Begin by setting up and polishing the key details. Treat your profile like a landing page for talent. Complete the basics such as your company size, industry, location, website, and a clear mission statement. Make sure these fields are accurate and consistent with your other online presence. Add high-quality visuals, including a crisp logo, a professional banner, and photos that genuinely show your culture. Think team moments, events, and real workspaces. In the Why Work With Us section, spell out what sets you apart: benefits, perks, learning paths, and growth opportunities. Use relevant keywords in your description so candidates searching for specific roles or skills can find you more easily. Finally, keep open positions current and descriptive. Outdated jobs can hurt credibility and traffic. Next, focus on driving a healthy flow of reviews over time. Encourage employees to leave feedback at natural milestones like onboarding completion, the end of training, or work anniversaries. Be mindful of timing. A sudden flood of glowing reviews can look suspicious, while steady momentum signals authenticity. Make the process easy by sharing guidance on what to cover, role, team, pros, and suggestions. And remind them reviews are anonymous. Never offer incentives for positive reviews. It violates platform guidelines and damages trust. Responding to reviews matters just as much. Reply to both positive and negative feedback. Thank people for their perspective, address concerns professionally, and share what actions you're taking. When appropriate, have HR or leadership add a response to show accountability from the top. Leverage advanced tools if you have access. Review intelligence can help you spot sentiment trends and recurring themes. Post company updates with milestones, culture highlights, or news to keep followers engaged and drive repeat visits. If you're on an enhanced profile, feature a standout review at the top to shape first impressions. Keep an eye on the metrics that influence visibility, including overall rating, career opportunities, compensation and benefits, culture and values, diversity and inclusion, and senior management. Finally, research top employers in your space on Glassdoor. Study what they do well. Identify gaps and tailor your content and responses so you stand out among them.